I was just scrolling peacefully when I bumped into these kinds of content in my newsfeed. Digital products testimony here, digital products testimony there. Surely you want to know how these people earned that much money in just a short span of time. But what really are these digital products they've been talking about? If you want to know, then you are watching the right video. But there's more to our tutorial for today. What could that be? Keep watching and wait for the end to find out. First, let's define digital products and discuss their primary advantages. That way, you can get to know more about how these kinds of products bring you additional income without even having to spend a dime. In contrast to real, touchable physical objects, digital products are immaterial. Consider digital products as virtual items that consumers may buy, download, and utilize. An ebook would be purchased, for instance, if you would rather read novels on your Kindle or iPad than a physical copy. After downloading and installing the content on your program, you may read it digitally. Selling resume templates might serve as another illustration. Using Microsoft Word, you make a template, format, and arrange it, and then sell it online. The purchaser downloads it, uses it, and modifies the material with their own information. That product is digital. Now, you might want to ask, what is its edge from the traditional products we used to sell? 1. Low overhead costs. Since there are no expenses associated with production or delivery, profit margins are increased. 2. No physical inventory. Digital products don't require storage, in contrast to physical products. Every task is completed on a computer and stored online or in the cloud. 3. Flexibility. To operate your digital goods business from anywhere in the globe, all you need is a laptop and a respectable internet connection. For example, I used to work just from my laptop when I had a business on the beach in Bali. 4. Scalability. A digital product may be sold to several clients with little further work after it has been created. 5. Global reach. It's simple to offer digital goods to customers anywhere in the globe. The world of digital products, their advantages, getting started, and the best platforms to employ are all covered in this video, which I hope was helpful. Now, time for the great surprise. As a celebration of reaching 40,000 views, we will be organizing a contest that will be participated by our avid supporters. What you have to do is wait for the next upload to know the exact details on how to join. For additional videos, you can subscribe and hit the like. There are links to my previous video tutorials on how to earn passively in the description box. Try watching it too. Thank you for tuning in today. See you in the following video.